leader. The For me, nothing lost in me. If you said I'm ugly, you if you said that whatever that me, I'm not making lying. Today, when I done this, I go to there and I make some something updating for, and like what I said, like before, that you said that no case for the this and that and that, and then suddenly you believe those things when it happens by your own friend. So now you still like oh, she keeping fucking lies, sweet skate like this, sweet skate that. I don't care. At least nothing lost in me. The problem is why you addicted in me and why you longing in me. And some people said, you know what? Some people said I miss something like a bonding for it, and then some says, oh, I miss a positive. Well, we all like missing a positive thing, not negative thing. Because every single thing in here in the YT, I never talking about a negative thing. Even they know it, but the pride of a people pretending that they are all right, even not, right? So I don't care if you said that I'm living in the what you call that? What you say? The house of a dog. This anything dog? My dog is in the different place. What about you? At least I have my property that I live here. Not like in other there that keeping rentaling house. They are not the owner of the property. At least I'm living in my I'm living in my family that had the property on the family. Yeah. They keeping said the funny thing, they keeping said, oh, she's ugly, she's ugly. So I know you are there in the background. If you ugly, if you said that I'm ugly, why are you keeping longing, addicted to me? That is why are you keeping addicted to me? A simple thing. And then you said, oh, Princess is inviting me in the Philippines. I invite you to the court. In the cybercrime too. Not inviting you to come here for what? Same with your friend. Look at your friend. I invite in the court. Same that. You said, Princess keeping said, case, no case happening. You know what? Very lucky of your leader. Why? If I continue that one, well, I'm sure that your leader can be involving on the trouble. Yeah, because of the pictures that's spreading. By the way, why this Filipino friend that never also advising to the idiot one? And then you said to me that I'm making up a storyline. No, never been. Just move yourself there, and I don't care for.